My baby's last ride. Sadly. You want to ride it up or?
No, I'll just push it up.
Push it up.
It's a pretty sweet bike.
Yeah, it's my girl.
Oh, it's yours?
Yeah.
I'll take extra special care.
A
little bit.
You don't see your bike up in the air like that very often.
Well, you know, I don't.
Or I'd like to think you wouldn't want to.
Or, or at least you wouldn't want to see that.
Yeah.
Well, and you're videoing everything.
I jumped the driveway in Tennessee one time. I was from Florida, I'm from Tampa. And it was hilly, and I kept slowing down at it, you know, because I couldn't see over the hill. And the goddamn cars were pushing me, you know.
Yeah.
So I started to look in the mirror, I was going off the road, and I jumped the driveway.
Oh.
Off the back of the bike. She was behind me. I seen her in that area as I was playing. I didn't wreck her up, but she came off the bike.
But she came off the bike.
Yeah.
I'm sure she wasn't too happy with
She
you.
was definitely mad. She broke an upper rib and a lower rib or something.
Ouch.
This is how they taught me to do it. You know, strap the front first. Lift it.
I was telling him, my friend, he has a 2021 Road Glide, ran over something on the highway doing like 80, and he had to tow his bike last night.
Well,
Oh, just drop again.
What's needed for crash bars?
You always have to expect this thing.
Yeah, and you know what?
Fall.
Yeah,
Like,
and you know what?
It's always going to want to fall.
Oh, that's a bad one.
Put the damn kickstand down.
Got it. Got it?
Oh, there we go.
So good.
Sorry about that.
That's all right.
I don't think I scratched anything.
No, that's all right. That's why we got those on there and those on there.
All right, right on.
But when that shit happens, man, it's not that big of a deal. Let's see if this motherfucker starts, though.
Yeah, I know bikes don't like to be laid down.
No.
They don't like to start afterwards.
So we'll see what happens now, because they don't want to start.